In this review, I will dive deep into HoneyBook review features, pricing, and usability to help you decide if it is the right tools to streamline your business. So to get started with that, what is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is like a super organized online assistant for your business. It helps you keep track of clients, send invoice, and manage project all in one place. It's perfect for freelancers and small businesses owners who want to start a free trial and simplify their workflow. HoneyBook costs depend on the plan you choose, but you can often find a promo code to save money. Like many companies, HoneyBook offer free trials so you can try before you buy. And here's the top benefit of this website, which is HoneyBook. They provide a streamline that helps you with your workflow and also a stay organized client information and contact and project in one central location. It's like having a personal assistant but a way more affordable. You also get paid faster. HoneyBook make it easy for clients to pay you online, which means you get your money quicker. With an inbuilt CRM, HoneyBook has a simple CRM, which is a customers relationship management tools, helping you track client interaction and nurture your relationship. And here are the best features of this platform, which is the HoneyBook. So one of the best features is the automation, the availability of automation, and also online invoice that helps you with spreadsheet and other professional online invoice. With online scheduling, no more back and forth emails trying to find a meeting time that works for everyone. HoneyBook's online scheduling features let clients book appointment directly through your calendar, eliminating scheduling conflict and saving your time. It also offers a template. So HoneyBook offers a library of professional design templates for proposal, contact, brochure, and more. And also they offer this platform for online contracts. So ditch the paper and go to digital with HoneyBook online contracts. Client can easily review, sign, and pay all in one place. This simplifies the contract process and ensure you always have a legally binding agreement. And talking about the pricing plan, there are a wide verse of plan. So if you want to know more about the pricing plan of this website, you have to refer to their website to check more the key important features that is located on each of every price plan, so you know the one that is best suited for your pocket. So that's it. So talking about the pros and cons of this website, so we're going to dive into this deeper to know about the pros and cons, which is the advantages and the disadvantages of this platform. So to just started with the advantages, it comes with an automation that saves time and effort with a professional and a polished branding. Also centralized hub for client management with a streamlined client overboarding and a post productivity. So talking about the downside, which is the disadvantages of this, is the limited third-party integration with a learning curve for advanced features and mobile app functionalities could be improved. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thank you.